Hey 3D artist! Today we will start a new challenge to organize Dimensiva 3D library. The library contains more than 1,500 3D models, with total number of 3,000 plus files. The library is composed of uncompressed and compressed files beside their related preview image. The mission is to organize all these files in the form of 3ds Max files side by side with preview image. Let's open up NAG ALL and kickstart. First, let's browse to find our 3D library path. In NAG ALL version 2.2, you are able to create or not to create sources, extensions, and trash folders. Also, you are able to choose between 3 main ways to collect the maps. For this tutorial, we will keep all the settings of NAG ALL as default. Let's hit start and enjoy having some coffee. In this video we decided not to speed up the process of organizing the library, to help you have a real experience in real-time frame of 3D library organization. Thanks to NAG ALL, keep enjoying your coffee break and watch how your library is being organized automatically with one click. In case you need to check the final result, feel free to jump to the next timecode. Great! The 1,500 3D models are organized in only 8 minutes. Let's check the 4 folders' contents. Now, it's the time to open 3ds Max and run KStudio Project Manager plugin to link our 3D library. You need to just select Add Folder Choice and find the path of your 3D library. The power of NAG ALL is heavily shown here. The preview images are attached automatically to 3ds Max files. There is no need to search for preview images by Auto-Assign tool. Also, NAG ALL keeps the information of the used render engine and its version in the renamed 3ds Max file. So, you can filter your library based on the needed render engine for your project. Now, let's drag and drop any of the library 3D models into 3ds Max canvas. To link our textures folder, you just need to select the AS Tracking tab and from Search Directories to find the textures folder path created by NAG ALL. That's all for today. Let's hit render. Let's enter NAG ALL World and buy your copy now. See you in the next tutorial. Keep organized all the time.